Moto 2 winner Miguel Oliveira.
Who wins the next one? Marc Marquez was on a run of 3 until Jorge Lorenzo spoilt the party, but he still has a 27-point lead.
2018 Valencia Moto 2 winner Miguel Oliveira. Row 7 headed by Later Spargo.
26 laps of the legendary and iconic tea-Tawa circuit await the MotoGP riders. Marc Marquez starting from pole position for the 46th time in his MotoGP career. Joined on the front row by Cal Crutchlow and Valentino Rossi.
Row 7 headed by Later Spargo.
But on pole here in the Netherlands, it's Marc Marquez.
Of the legendary and iconic tea-Tawa circuit await the MotoGP riders. Marc Marquez starting from pole in Assen. Row 2, Andrea Dovizioso, Alex Rins and Maverick Vinales. Alexis Spargo, Johan Zarco and Andrea Iannone on row 3. Jorge Lorenzo, winner in Mugello and Barcelona, heads row 4 from Danilo. 2016 Dutch TT winner Jack Miller heads row 6 from Scott Redding and Danny Pedrosa way down in 18th place.
On that second row, Rins, Jack Miller and Crutchlow are on row 3. Rossi.
26 laps of the legendary and iconic tea-Tawa circuit await them.
7-point lead.
2018 Valencia Moto 2 winner Miguel Oliveira. Row 7 headed by Later Spargo.
26 laps of the legendary and iconic tea-Tawa circuit await the MotoGP riders. Marc Marquez starting from pole position for the 46th time in his MotoGP career. Joined on the front row by Cal Crutchlow and Valentino Rossi.
Row 7 headed by Later Spargo.
But on pole here in the Netherlands,
2018 Valencia Moto 2 winner Miguel Oliveira.
who wins the next one? Marc Marquez was on a run of 3 until Jorge Lorenzo spoilt the party, but he still has a 27-point lead.
2018 Valencia Moto 2 winner Miguel Oliveira.
We go here, good start from Marquez, he got off like a rocket. Marquez, look at this, goes up the inside of Marquez. Oh, and Dobby's up the inside as well.
Hard stopping slide, we're on the inside of Miller to turn 6, he does, because Miller had a big man on the front end. Vinales all over him, here comes Marquez, it's going to be tight, no way through. Miller slams it.
Mistake in the fold from Fabio Quartararo.
An independent team Yamaha victory in the MotoGP World Championship. Rossi was true to his word, he said he had to be as aggressive as he can. That's how you make a perfectly executed move. That turn number the captain, you can see there clearly. Did not make a single mistake from Mazzano, but still lost.
Rossi's still there in 5th.
Andrea Dovizioso, as you would expect. Quartararo.
He'll have one more go at that. Now, can he get close enough in the final sector?
Just like he did on the Adriatic coast a few weeks ago.
These days, the sun. But again, it's just slipped away from him right at the last moment.
Marquez on the brink of the world.
In the last lap, these two have got the pace to drift away. If they turns as he saw a little gap, he goes through. What a disaster!
Trying to get into the slipstream, but go all in. I'm not sure I believe it.
Will it be in this one?
Final corner, 4.5 kilometres to go here for Marquez on the brink of the World Championship. Will he take it for the touchdown to the podium?
In the background, they turn one really well. The last lap, these two have got the pace to drift away.
He saw a little gap, he goes through. What a disaster for Miller. Well, the whole dynamic. Dovizioso, they're getting super aggressive. He's trying to fight back, he does. Marquez is taking. Marquez here in Bullarash.
And he's close, he's really close, and he goes up almost alongside.
Marquez is trying to make it work here in the second sector. Quartararo's got to have a brilliant final couple of sectors. Marquez here has already got a 10th in his back pocket. He looks like he could be alright.
MP4, where we know everyone goes out and tries race tyres, does a long run.
To do it, it's going to be the final corner. Yeah, he said it was not going to be win at all costs. To get close, champion. There it is on your screens. That says it all. Take a bow, Marc Marquez. He's been magnificent. Another masterclass from him. He takes the title from the top step of the podium, and just like he did in Bullarash 1 year ago, he wins it in a nail-biting fight.
Hello.
Well, there he is, ladies and gentlemen, your 28, 26, he does. He doesn't win out of that on the front end. Vinales all over, here comes Marquez. Davizioso trying to get into the slipstream.
I'm not sure I believe it. Will it be a Marquez win?
That's how you make a perfectly executed move. That turn number the Catty, you can see there clearly, did not make a single mistake in Lozano, but still lost.
Rossi's still there at Birdie, so he has to be aggressive.
That's how you make a perfectly executed move.
Have one more go at that. Now, can he get close enough?
Single mistake in Lozano, but still lost.
He'll have one more go at that. Now, can he get close enough? One more go at that. Now, can he get close enough?
Marquez, it's going to be tight, no way through. Miller slams the dot in driving acceleration out of the post a few minutes ago, and still
way through any mistake.
Comes Marquez, it's going to be tight, no way through. Miller slams the dot in driving acceleration out of the first corner. He's going to have to work incredibly hard for it. He's running a really strong Marquez lining up here shortly at the first corner.
On board now with the Welsh.
Oh, Rossi's gone down. That's how you make a perfectly executed move. That turn number the Catty, you can see there clearly, did not make a single mistake in Lozano, but still lost.
Rossi's still there in fifth.
Andrea Davizioso, as you would expect, Quattararo, but he said he had to be aggressive. He can. That's how you make a perfectly executed move. That turn number.
Dia anu lewat dulu ada duaan ke, sampai dorongan. Hayangnya ganteng baik mah. Oh, oh jadi pemain. Di nomor saya mah.